Alright, so this one we're going to be doing the full VOR approach into runway 27, starting at the Lakeland VOR. We're currently at 3,000 feet, and the plan is to cross over the Lakeland VOR at 3,000 feet and then proceed outbound for 5 nautical miles and descend at 2,000 feet outbound before completing the procedure turn. So we're currently 3 miles north of the Lakeland VOR, tracking towards the VOR, and as soon as we cross over, we'll make that left turn to the 076 radio. We're approaching the cone of confusion on the VOR. Remain on this heading until we see a change of the flag. There we have station passage, flag flip. We're going to make a left turn to a heading of 076 to intercept the Lakeland 076 radio. We're going to overshoot slightly on the turn to go back to the top of the radio, and at this point we can also start to descend to 2,000 feet. We're also going to hit our timer and start our timer towards 3 minutes or 5 nautical miles, whichever one happens first. We're back on the radio of 076, 2,500, descending 2,000. We're currently 4 miles from the Lakeland VOR. We're going to stay over here on this radio until we hit the 5 DME mark. We're going to make now a right turn to a heading of 121. And we're going to time that for 1 minute. At the same time we're reaching 2,000 feet, we're going to set up for a slow cruise at this altitude. Set. One minute set on the timer, and we can switch the radio back inbound to a radio of 256. safely there. Have 10 seconds to go. That's 1 minute. We're gonna make now a left turn to the opposite heading. I'm heading at 301 to re-intercept the 256 inbound course. The radio is already inbound. We're going to continue that left turn with 256 to intercept it. Now that we're established on the inbound course, we're clear to descend down to an altitude of 920 feet until Ambas. Roughly 2 miles from Ambas. At this point, we can do our landing checklist. Gears going to come down and flap to one side for the approach speed. So fuel's on, undercarriage down 3 green, make sure full rich, props full forward, and seatbelts are set. So landing checklist is complete. Stay at 920 until we cross Ambas, which is roughly in about a mile. We're crossing Ambas at this point. We can descend down to 600 feet, which is our MD8. There's 600 feet. This approach in Lakeland sends us a little crooked into the VOR due to the VOR position, but at this point we can stay at this altitude until we cross the Lakeland VOR again, which is our missed approach point. In this case we're visual. We will be clear to land. Select landing flaps and descend down to our runway.